Central Illinois Police Chief is taking a trip to Capitol Hill to fight a plan to make semi-trucks larger. Zach Hatcher joins us with how new regulations will pose problems. Zach.
Lauren, some members of Congress are pushing for an increase in weight limit and size of 18-wheelers. Right now, a trailer can't carry anything over 80,000 pounds. Well, lawmakers want to move that limit up to 91,000. Bartonville Police Chief Brian Fengel says that would cause issues on the roads.
I'm looking forward to talking to new members of Congress and members that have been there in Congress and tell them the public safety side of it and our concerns with it for the motoring public.
Now, if any legislation is passed on the matter, the length of trucks would also be affected. Officials say some semis could be forced to add 17 feet to the trailers. Lauren?
Zach, thank you.